As part of Michael's job at the grocery store, he has to pack and weigh oranges. The table below shows different numbers of oranges and their weights. Which scatter plot represents the data in the table? So we are just matching data to graph. So I'm going to start with my A, B, C, D, and just take it a dot at a time. So first dot is supposed to be at 2, 1. So I'm going to run to 2 because I can see that the label on the x-axis is number of oranges, which matches what my first numbers are. And so that is our x coordinate. So I'm running to 2 and then jumping to 1. So if I look at answer choice A, run to 2, jump to 1. Looks like there's a dot there. A's got it. B, run to 2, jump to 1, B's got it. C, run to 2, jump to 1, C's got it. D, run to 2, jump to 1, D's got it. Okay, next point is 2, 1.5. So 1.5 is going to be between 1 and 2 because it's like having $1.50. If I have $1.50, I have more than $1 but less than $2. So we're going to run to 2 again, but this time we're going to go up to between 1 and 2. Looks like A has it. B, run to 2, jump to 1.5. B's got it. C, run to 2, jump to 1.5. They're down here between 0 and 1, which would be 0.5. And so we finally got rid of an answer choice. C is out. Answer choice D, run to 2, jump to 1.5. D's got it. All right, next dot is at 4, 3.5. So A's still in. We're going to run to 4, jump to between 3 and 4. A's got it. B, run to 4, jump to between 3 and 4. B's got it. C, run to 4, jump to between 3 and 5. D's got it. These questions are a test of patience. Remember, keep going. Keep going. You will get rid of the answer choices eventually. Next dot, 6, 4. So I'm going to run to 6, jump to 4. A's got it. B, run to 6, jump to 4. B's got it. D, run to 4, or run to 6, jump to 4. D's got it. Oh, man. Okay. Next one is 6, 4.5. So run to 6, jump to between 4 and 5. A's got it. Run to 6, jump to between 4 and 5. B's got it. D, run to 6, jump to between 4 and 5. D's got it. Next one is 7, 4. A, run to 7, jump to 4. A's got it. B, run to 7, jump to 4. B's got it. D, run to 7, jump to 4. D's got it. Oh, this one is really testing my patience. And I'm running out of room. So let me see if I can move my stuff over here. Oh, goodness. It's getting everything but what I want. There we go. Okay. So next dot. Keeping up. We've got 8, 5. So run to 8, jump to 5. A's got it. B, run to 8, jump to 5. B's got it. D, run to 8, jump to 5. D's got it. Whew. Okay, next one. We've got 8, 4.5. So A, run to 8, jump to between 4 and 5. Yep, A's got it. B, run to 8, jump to between 4 and 5. Oh, finally, B doesn't have it. And so B is finally out. All right, how about D? Run to 8, jump to 4.5. B's got it, or D's got it. Okay, we're almost done. 9, 5.5. So I'm going to run all the way to 9, jump between 5 and 6, and A has it. D better not have it. Let's see. Run to 9, jump to between, it's supposed to be between 5 and 6, not 4 and 3. And so, yes, finally, D is out. Correct answer is A.